Hello everybody, welcome to One Night at Flumpty's 2. Let me just do something, alright. Okay, so, I already did a recording for this video, or for this game before, but I decided I would re-record it, because I felt like I didn't do a very good job. Anyway, I have my Gurren Lagann Cordro with me. Alright, let me just... if I could fucking put it on. Here we go. Right. So this way I can invoke the spiral powers dwelling within me and hopefully use it to beat this game. That's not gonna happen. That's probably not gonna happen. I'm probably gonna lose. I'm probably gonna lose this game severely, and it's gonna break. But let's play. I haven't done a horror game in a bit. Oh.
If your lights turned off, then you're safe. If your lights are on, they'll come find you and give you a brand new face.
Okay, I see some vents. I see a babyface man. We the people. Hi, Flumpty. I wasn't fucking checking for you. And there's Die. Luigi and Grunkfist. Oh god. It's a chicken. I didn't mean to. There's a chicken. There's a shoe. There's a tomato. It's a Krabby Patty, I think. Looks like a Krabby Patty. Oh, and he's looking at me. He's staring into my soul, and I'm gonna rip my guts out through my spine. Wait, what? Rip my guts out through my ass. I don't know. Through my ass. Yes. Oh god, my ass! Oh, it hurts! Oh god! Nothing's happening so far. Not much is happening. What did they do to Piglet? Poor Piglet. It wasn't. Oh. Ah, bitch! There's Pac-Man right there. I see that. That's cute. Chasing after a ghost. Oh, where's Flumpty? 1, 2, pi. Well, pi is... the first digit of pi is 3, so I guess that does count. Maybe. I'm not entirely sure though. I'm not. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Stop it. Okay, I'm in the frame. All right, making sure. Look. Oh, your face is all weird. I like the drawn style of it. It works very well. I'm at 1 a.m. Oh god. Bitch! I don't think so, motherfucker. Oh, you're terrifying. You're a terrifying concoction of nature, sir. I don't like you very much, because you're not very friendly looking. You look like you want to tear my ass out through my ass. That didn't make any sense. I like how Flumpty. Flumpty is there with like a hat. He's like, bitch, or something. Oh god. He's looking at me, guys. He's taking a shit. He's taking a... Ah! It's 2 a.m. Patience. I think that means he'll go to my... What the... Oh god. Ah, fuck! Egg, starting up. Is that like Mac? Oh god. I didn't notice the backpack, actually. Okay, so 700 patients left. There's a revolver there, a shoe, Coca-Cola. I think that's from 7-Eleven. Oh god, his patience is running low. Oh. No. Fuck. Hi. Up. Come on, start up, 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 start up. Okay. I was worried that the owl was gonna get me. I need to be faster with this, seriously. There's the I didn't know where the burger was for the where the patty was. I like how he just smacks his face against there. It's like, I'm gonna get you. Oh, but the vent's closed. Oh, my face, it hurts. Cry, bitch. I don't like you. You're terrifying. You're a terrifying concoction of nature. I've said that twice. It's not funny the second time. I don't know. Luigi's just sitting there all depressed, like, I hate my life. Mario's dead. The Peaches rejected me. Ah. And then, oh shit. Oh. You think you're terrifying with? He has 2 sets of teeth. I made it to 3 a.m. That's pretty good. That is quite good, I say, if I say so myself. Because this game is difficult, and you gotta learn to multitask, which I am not good at, so I do not know how I've gotten this far. I am not good at multitasking at all. That's why I don't do it. Also, I will be doing a video of Spyro. Actually, probably it might be up by the time I finish this, and oh god, I was scratching my arm, you bastard. Doesn't really care. He's like, oh, I want to say hi. I want to see how you're doing, bro, brosif, broham. Oh god. Oh god, which one? Okay. Oh. Oh god. Oh god, no 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 no. My exposure's really high. I can't get exposed anymore. I'm gonna die. That rhymes. See? Oh, wait. Oh, I thought they would. Oh. So, I'm gonna die. Okay. At least I died by a giant... Not by a giant burp, by a giant egg. Oh, you're going through the same vent! Doesn't fucking learn, does he? He's like, I think this vent's open now. Bleh! What the fuck are you? Jesus Christ, you're terrifying! Oh god. Is that there the entire time? Was that there? I get the feeling that that dead whale wasn't there the entire time, so... Oh god. Bitch. Oh god, patience running low. Hi. I timed that well. I don't usually time those kind of things very well. Oh god! Oh god. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die so hard. Oh god! It's coming for me! It's coming to kill me. It's coming to kill me, guys. Oh! You got me. I made it to 5 a.m. That's pretty good. I'm probably gonna play this again along with One Night at Flumpty's 1, but not now. I feel like one attempt is good enough for one video. I mean, I'm already 10 minutes in, and I want it to be like a 20-minute video, so make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. Check out my other videos. Also, make sure to check my supporters, all the good stuff, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out, suckers!